Checkboxes genuinely allow multiple real independent selections. Radio buttons genuinely restrict to just one real choice from a group. In this video, you'll build both real input types. This real checkbox genuinely toggles independently. Checking it doesn't affect any other actual real checkbox. Both real radio buttons genuinely share the same name attribute. Selecting one automatically genuinely deselects the other. Checked genuinely preselects this real checkbox or radio button by default when the page loads. Checkboxes genuinely toggle independently of each other. Radio buttons genuinely need the same name to form one real mutually exclusive group. Checked genuinely preselects a checkbox or radio button by default. Build a real radio group of 3 options that are genuinely mutually exclusive. Ready to build real multi-line text areas?